Hi guys, welcome to Harmony Store. On today's episode of Tech Review, I will be revealing the HP ZBook Firefly 15. The HP ZBook Firefly 15 G8 mobile workstation, it's built with a metallic body. It has RGB backlit. This particular PC comes with NVIDIA GeForce RTX Quadro 3060 4GB dedicated. The display size is 15.6 inches and it comes with a full keyboard, that's with the numeric keypad as well. HP ZBook Firefly 15 G8 is an high-performance PC. It's come with Intel Core i7 11th generation Pro. It has a 32 gig RAM. 32 gig RAM for graphics design. If you are into financial analysis, you want a very fast PC that once you click, it responds to you immediately. These are the laptops that you can currently use. It's a 15.6 screen. The screen resolution is 1962 by 1080 dpi. It comes with storage of 1000 GB. That's 1 TB storage. The operating systems that comes with it is Windows 10 Professional. The high performance laptops come with professional Windows, unlike the basic one that you see Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 for students. Any high performance PC, you will always see them with Windows 10 Professional for servers, for different kind of works that we're going to use on it. Because the HP ZBook Firefly G8 is a high performance laptop, the battery life is about 4 to 6 hours. So it's not up to 10 hours, 15 hours. If you are the type that you like your laptop to go for 12 hours, 18 hours in a day, I'm sorry to disappoint you. The HP ZBook Firefly won't give you that because it's high performance laptop and the battery life is between 4 to 6 because of the heavy usage that you are going to be using it for. The connectivity, this one will suit as a Wi-Fi of 6.0, come with 2 USB ports, 1 HDMI port, has a Thunderbolt port, 2 Type-C ports, the AirPods headphone jack that comes with it, cam lock. So in this front here, you can lock your cam from across, of course, to be able to have access to it. And when you're in need of your camera, you can unlock your cam to make use of the webcam. So it has a facial recognition. Your Windows Hello can unlock your laptop without you setting a default password. It has the fingerprint sensor that you have. You can easily use the fingerprint reader for you to unlock your PC as well. So if you are in need of a high performance laptop, basically we recommend the HP ZBook Firefly 15 to you. And it's one of the best high performance laptop that you're going to see in the market right now because of the performance that it comes with, the processor, and the variety of the connectivity that it comes with. The HP ZBook Firefly 15 laptop is built with a metallic body. It has a fine finishing. If you're in need of a high performance laptop, you don't want a laptop that is too bulky, a laptop that is heavy, but you want a laptop that is sleek, that is nice, that you can easily carry around to work with. I would recommend the HP ZBook Firefly 15 G8 to you. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again in the next video.